Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an absolutely massive win that I almost forgot to mention. We had an incredible surge yesterday that delivered plus 70% up. That's right, 70% up. My trade hit TP4 on the spot market, going from an entry around 0.900 all the way up to 1.550. This is a perfect example of a trade where the breakout was clean and the momentum carried the price straight to the final target. Did you secure some gains if you followed this one? This kind of accuracy, especially on the spot market, is a testament to the power of our analysis. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.